Check out this new listing in one of the most desirable buildings located in the heart of South Beach, Mirador. I'm telling you, I've had the pleasure of visiting this building quite a few times, and I think it has everything you could possibly need or want, besides being in an amazing location. So let's get started. The listing price is $399,500. This spacious one-bedroom, one full bathroom unit was just renovated with new floors, kitchen, appliances, fresh paint, a walk-in closet. The appliances included are a dishwasher, electric range, microwave, refrigerator, a nice sized balcony with open view facing the city, and it also has side views of the bay. The building is literally walking distance to Whole Foods, restaurants, bars, Lincoln Road, Flamingo Park, and minutes to the beach. Offers 5-star amenities with a beautiful heated waterfront pool, a beautiful jacuzzi. Look at that. It also has a barbecue, a state-of-the-art gym with every single machine you could possibly think of for cardio, weights, you name it. And it also has a boat dock. So if you're into boats like I am, you're definitely gonna like that. It also has 24-hour concierge and valet parking. The unit is currently rented until June 14th at $2,500 per month. The seller will pay the remaining balance of current assessment on or before closing. Once again, the listing price is $399,500. The size is 837 square feet. The price per square foot is $477. The HOA fee is $830 monthly. Once again, it has one bedroom, one full bathroom. There are no restrictions as far as leasing, so it is okay to lease. The year built was 1965. Heating and cooling are both central. Pets are allowed, but there is a size limit. Some of the security features include complex fenced, fire sprinkler system, smoke detectors. The window features impact glass. It has an accessible elevator installed. This building is considered a high-rise. This is located on a 3rd floor. And no, it is not a senior community. The association amenities include the clubhouse, elevators, fitness center, the pool, and other things. Oh yeah, and they have a little supermarket downstairs by the front desk where you can get basically all the essentials, snacks, drinks, which is very convenient. Alright everybody, if you'd like to schedule a showing for this beautiful unit, go ahead and send me an email. You can reach me at info@santiagoamarino.com. If you think this information may be useful to someone in your family or maybe your friends, make sure that you like this video and share it with them. And anyone else that you know in real estate who may see this as a good investment opportunity or maybe even their next home. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.